Hello, if you ever need to convert your glossaries to a multi-term term base or from a multi-term term base into an Excel file, the easiest way to do that is with the Glossary Converter, which is a free app in the SDL App Store. So the first thing you need to do is head on to the SDL App Store and download the Glossary Converter. If you go to the App Store, it will look like this. This is the app that you need, so you just click on there. And then you need to be logged in with your SDL account. Download it and install it. After you install it, it will open up like this. So it's not a plugin that opens inside SDL Trados Studio. It's a standalone app. And once you have your Glossary Converter installed and open, it's very easy to use. Here in this example, on this folder here, I have both a term base and an Excel file. This is the Excel file actually, so you can see that it has just 3 entries for very simple colors in English and in Spanish. In both cases, I have in this case, I have the language names here in the first row. And so I'm just going to close that. And this is a term base, a multi-term term base. I'm going to convert both to the other format by using the Glossary Converter. So this is that's the interface, and it's very easy to use. All you need to do is, for example, if you have an Excel file that you need to convert, just drag and drop it onto the Glossary Converter and just wait for it to work its magic. And here in the same folder where you had your original Excel file, you will see that the glossary has been converted now to a term base. So if I double click on that now, I will be able to open it in multi-term. And the terms that we saw earlier, you will see them here. So that's all that needs to be done. So that's for a very simple conversion of an Excel file. Now, if you want to do the opposite, if you want to convert your multi-term term base into an Excel file, just do the same thing, drag and drop onto the Glossary Converter. And in the same folder where you have your multi-term term base, you will find the Excel file that contains everything that was in the term base. And this is actually the term base that I just converted. It's a little big. And this is actually a multilingual term base. So that's all that we need to do, and that's how we convert back and forth between term bases and Excel files. The Glossary Converter actually has other formats that you can convert to and from. So make sure to explore the settings to choose different file formats, but to convert between the SDLTB or term base, multi-term term base into Excel and vice versa, you don't need to make any changes. Just drag and drop your files on there and you're all set.